Welcome to today's financial news update from QuantByte.io. Cotton futures have recovered overnight losses, trading 10 to 12 points higher by midday. The US dollar index and crude oil prices are also declining, with the dollar down $0.429 at $98.115 and oil down $0.42 per barrel. Lean hog futures are experiencing losses across most contracts, ranging from 25 to 80 cents. The national base hog price has declined to $91.56, a drop of $3.56 from the previous day's level. Additionally, the CME Lean Hog Index has decreased by 79 cents to $97.22. Corn futures are experiencing a moderate rally, with prices increasing by 4 to 5.25 cents across most contracts. The national average cash corn price has also risen by 5.25 cents to $3.79 1/2. This upward trend is attributed to an increase in ethanol production for the week, as reported by EIA data. The winter wheat contract prices have risen by 4 to 5 cents in the morning, while spring wheat shows weakness. In contrast, Kansas City Hard Red Winter, HRW, futures have increased by 1 to 2 cents during the same period. Coffee prices are rising, with Arabica up 0.39% and Robusta up 2.6%. Robusta has reached a one-month high. Shrinking inventory levels of ICE coffee are providing support for the price increase. Tariffs on U.S. imports have not been mentioned as a contributing factor to this rise. U.S. Treasury prices rose during the trading session. Truist Financial Corp.'s, TFC, quarterly dividend yields over 5%, equating to an annual rate of $2.08 per share, based on its current trading price of around $41.05. Home Bancshares Inc.'s, HOMB, quarterly dividend has an annualized yield of over 3%, reaching a high of $0.08 per share. Its stock price dropped as low as $26.24 during trading. Public Service Enterprise Group Inc.'s, PEG, quarterly dividend yields over 3%, based on an annual payment of $2.52 per share, with shares selling at a low of $83. Huntington Bancshares Inc.'s, HBAN, quarterly dividend yields over 4%, translating to an annual yield of $0.62 per share, based on its current trading price as low as $15.43. Crude oil prices declined, with November WTI crude down 0.1% and RBOB gasoline down 0.46%. Prices initially rose but reversed course after the release of unexpected data from the EIA, which showed an increase in crude inventories and a new record for U.S. crude production. Sugar prices are experiencing mixed trends, with New York World Sugar futures up slightly, while London White Sugar futures have declined. Consolidation of recent losses is evident in the market. Cocoa prices surged significantly, with both ICE New York and London contracts reaching one-week highs. The December ICE New York cocoa price rose by plus 218 points, 3.75%, while the December ICE London cocoa number 7 price increased by plus 141 points, 3.45%. This increase suggests that concerns over a decline in global cocoa demand may be less severe than initially anticipated, resulting in higher prices. Corn futures remain relatively stable, with little change in Thursday's trading. Following a slight increase on Wednesday, the market has steadied, with preliminary data showing that some short sellers are covering their positions. The cash corn price also rose. Soybean futures have seen a minor increase of 3 to 4 cents in near-BICE. Prior trading saw some volatility, with futures ending Wednesday steady to slightly higher. Open interest has decreased by 10,590 contracts, primarily in the November contract. Stay informed with QuantByte.io for the latest financial news.